Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to benchmark your laptop or your computer. The reason why you are benchmarking, guys, first you can benchmark before even purchase the computer. You can benchmark your friend computer to test it if it is powerful or not, even though you can test your own laptop or computer to see if it is strong enough, if it is doing great job or not. So first thing, you need to open any browser you want to go with, and then you will type benchmark. For the benchmark, you need to go to first thing, then you'll go to performance test, then press it, then please press and free download. I already download the software, so I already download the application, so I just open the file, which is the software I download. It is in random English, so put it like that, then I accept the agreement, next, install, wait for the installation to finish. Then you go to launch performance test, then finish, keep it checked to launch the software. Okay, press OK, then I will run benchmark. You will gathering some system information here, so we need to wait for it, collecting all the informations. Okay, after collecting the information, guys, just wait for it, then run benchmark, then press yes. It will get some time to benchmark everything about your computer and so on. I will show you guys after a while. I got the result. You should be having this one. It will take a while of benchmarking all the components of your computer, then I will have you the output and the result in this formula. So guys, I hope you like the video. Like, share, subscribe to the channel.